Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use the project evaluation feature on teamwork.com, your comprehensive guide for 2025. First up, you need to log into your teamwork.com account. This helps us because just like a key to a door, it provides us access to all the project management tools we need. Now that we've done that, you'll want to navigate to the Projects tab, located at the top of your dashboard. The reason we do this is to gain access to all the projects your team is currently working on. Next up, select the project you want to evaluate by clicking on its name. This step is like choosing a book from a library shelf. You're selecting the project story you want to read and evaluate. Once you've selected the project, you'll see a project details page. Here's where it gets interesting. Look for the Project Evaluation button, typically found on the right-hand side of the screen. Click on it. This button is like a magic portal, leading us into the realm of valuable project insights. The Project Evaluation page is where the magic happens. You'll see a range of data related to your project's performance. Now let's make sense of this data. We do this to identify strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats in our project. You can evaluate different aspects of your project like time management, budget utilization, task completion rate, and team performance. Let me explain why this matters. The evaluation feature allows you to analyze your project's progress and make informed decisions. It's like having a crystal ball that shows you the current state of your project, helping you forecast and plan better. To wrap up, remember, the project evaluation feature on teamwork.com is your secret weapon for efficient project management. It's there to help you understand your project's performance better and guide you towards project success. And that's it. You've now mastered the project evaluation feature on teamwork.com. Happy evaluating.